Chef Page here, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna cook rice noodles with red meat sauce. This recipe was inspired by a popular rice noodles dish in the Philippines called the Palabok. This version is almost identical, but with our own twist. First, saute the meat with onions and garlic. I added a piece of shrimp bouillon, or if you prepare chicken stock, it will be good also. Season it with salt and pepper according to your taste. If you like it sweet, you can add a little sugar. Just add a small amount of tomato sauce and the white pepper. I put water because I already put the bouillon, but if you have chicken stock or shrimp stock, it will be good also. This is another seeds dissolved in water. This is important, it will give beautiful color to the sauce. I blanched the shrimp and the squid for about a minute each. They are already pre-cooked. Then set aside. Add cornstarch, dissolve in cold water to thicken the sauce. Stir gently on medium-low heat until you reach your desired consistency. And we're finally done with our sauce. Now let's proceed to the easy part. Just drop all the noodles in boiling water just like how you do it with pasta. In the same way, don't overcook the noodles. Now the fun part. Let's go to plating. Arrange the noodles with the sauce and your preferred meat and toppings. See that? I just added porchetta, shrimps and squid, pork rinds and slices of boiled eggs. You can have any kinds of meat and whatever you like. If you can get smoked fish flakes, it's highly recommended. This is better than takeout and any kinds of pasta, trust me. You'll never be disappointed. Oh, smoking. Let's eat. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless. Please don't forget to like and the subscribe button.